Your dad is gonna announce.
Whose name going to be called first?
Okay, Santa.
Whose name is going to be called
Santa.
first?
Wait. Everybody sit down.
Santa, whose name?
I'll call everybody's name and they'll come get it, okay? Next. To Merry Christmas, pretty Akia.
Oh!
That's 𝐇𝐎𝐏𝐄. Okay.
Oh!
It's heavy.
Wow! What is
Oh, it's heavy.
What is that? Yeah?
What is it?
What is that?
Wow!
Oh my god. Oh wow! Okay, next is to Clementine.
Oh, Clementine, go get your gift. Get your gift. Open it.
Open it.
Open.
Oh, what is that?
Whoa.
So there's more inside. There's more.
There's more. Go check.
Nice, I love it.
Oh, wow, so many.
So cool.
Who's
Who's next, Santa? Who's
Okay, sit down everyone.
Sit down, everyone.
Okay, next one. To Mavi.
Wow, open.
Open.
Nice.
Wow.
I love it. So fancy.
Say thank you, Grandma. Thunderstorm.
Oh, to Mavi. From Uncle Akeem.
Oh.
Yeah, both of them to Mavi.
Wow.
Open.
Say thank you, Uncle Akeem.
Thank you.
Your turn will come. Don't worry, baby. Don't worry.
Oh, he's crying. No, you have a lot, Babu.
Wait. There's still more presents, Thunder. There's still more.
Oh wow! What is it?
Oh. There's
Oh, there's that crystal.
There's a ball.
Over here.
No, it's a Pokemon.
Oh, it's a Pokemon ball.
Nice. Whoa.
Okay, put in a bag.
Thank you.
Hug Uncle Akeem.
Thank you.
Alright.
Oh,
Yeah.
to Thunder.
Open.
Open.
Wow.
Oh! Wow!
It's aggressive to remove it.
Oh my God! It's a guitar. Next one to Kai.
Where's Kai?
From Thunder and Clementine. What is that?
What is it, Kai?
It's a game. Say
Akia, let him. What game is that?
What is it? He's so serious. I've never seen such a serious person
What
open.
is that, Kai?
Wow.
What is that?
I'm excited. Lego Jurassic World.
Do you like it?
You like it? Yay! Kai loves it.
It's a game where we can combine any dinosaur to one.
Really? Oh my God! What is it?
Yay!
Kai loves his gift.
Yay! Because I know Kai. Thank you, Kai.
Okay, next one to Clementine.
Oh.
Grandma.
Come on, Mama. Come here, Mama.
Whoa, it's not a toy.
Oh,
Hairstyles.
hairstyle.
Oh, very nice.
See it? I can't see it. What is it?
What is it?
Wow.
Oh,
Nice.
nice.
Pretty. Thank you. So
Thank you,
pretty.
Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you to Grandma. Thank you to Grandma.
So pretty.
Grandma behind you. Behind you, right here.
Thank
you. Oh, very nice. Very girly. She loves girly stuff.
Yeah. Next to Clementine.
Oh, Clementine.
Wow. What's in here? Let me help you up. Here.
Oh, what is it?
Ooh. What is that?
Oh, wow. Oh, adorable. Yay. Oh, pink teddy. How cute.
Here.
Very cute.
Okay, here you go.
Yay.
Birthday girl.
Birthday girl.
Next one. Next one.
Next
Hi.
Oh.
Mom and Dad. It's a Beyblade.
Wow. Beyblade. That's a super cool one.
Okay, next one. Oh wow. This one. What is that? To Clementine. Mommy and Daddy. Let me help you.
Wow. What is it, Clementine?
Wow.
What is it, Clementine?
Ariel.
Ariel.
Oh wow. You love Ariel?
She loves Ariel.
Wow. Okay. Next one.
Let's move it up a bit, yeah.
Okay. Thank
Sorry,
you.
the.
Thank you. Appreciate it. There's a lot. To Baby Clem. Baby Clem. I'm gonna open up
Okay,
for
Daddy's
you.
gonna open for you.
Wow. So many things, Baby Clem.
Nice, Baby Clem. Lots of
Wow.
fun stuff. Baby
So
Clem.
many.
Cool toys.
Oh. Oh, Baby Clem again.
Oh, Baby Clem again.
Let's see. 𝐂𝐿, you're so smart.
Good job, Kia. High five.
From who? From Grandma.
Wow. I like it.
Okay, Baby Clem.
Baby Clem, you have super cool toys.
Alright, next one. Oh my god. Let's do this one first. Okay, what is this? To 𝐂𝐿. Mom and Dad.
Yay.
What is that?
Wow.
Wow.
Pokeball. I like it.
Okay. Alright, next one. Alright, to 𝐂𝐿.
Should I get? Oh, Babu's up next too.
The same one.
Huh?
Huh?
I had this before.
Oh no!
Wow, Bill, you get a second one.
I didn't know, Kia.
Wow.
Oh, had one before?
You had this one before.
Okay. It's okay, okay?
That's because I lost my other one.
Okay.
This is for Grandpa.
Aww. Can you open it, Mom?
No!
Oh, in the Philippines. Oh, okay.
This to Baby Clem. Oh, wow. He got another sensory book.
Oh, I like it. Cool. I'll bought you a new one.
It's for Baby Clem as well.
Baby Clem again.
Santa.
Wow, Baby Clem.
Oh, baby.
Okay, Baby Clem, you love.
Santa loves you.
Yeah. Looks like this is. Oh, wow. It's a book that makes animal noises.
Ooh.
To Clementine.
Clementine.
Love Mommy and
Where
Daddy.
are you? Open it, Clementine.
Wow.
Matching with Kia. They're matching. Wow. Makeup set matching. Yay. Matching. And what is that? Wow.
From Philippines, India.
Oh, open, Babu.
Where's the recipe?
Oh, wow.
What is that?
Oh.
Wow.
Just wait.
Oh. Love. Thank you.
To Clementine.
Oh.
Auntie Isles and Uncle John.
Oh.
Wow.
Nice, Clementine.
Wow.
Oh, it's a hairstyle. Oh, it's a hairstyle.
For Akia, love grandma.
Maddie, what? Where's the matching? Oh, nice. Oh, girl, nice.
To Mavi, love. Matches your
Outfit. Open it.
open.
Daddy, look.
Open it, Maddie.
Dad, look.
Matching. All the girls are.
Oh, the girls are
Don't put it in. Jump for joy. Wow.
Okay, this for Thunder from Santa.
Santa came down the chimney.
Oh my God, Thunder. Oh my God, your presents are coming out now.
Finally.
Wow.
It's a
Fossil.
oh, nice.
Yes.
Dinosaur digging fossil thing.
Okay, next one. Kai from Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, come on, Kai, come right up. What is
Oh
it?
wow, it's a Nintendo Switch controller.
Wow.
Like it, Kai?
Oh wow,
Wow.
two controllers with it.
Yay!
Thunder and Clementine.
Okay, Thunder,
From
Clementine.
Mommy and Daddy.
Come on, could I help Thunder? Help Thunder. Oh, it's the same thing. Walkie-talkie. Oh, it's a walkie. It's a
Show
walkie-talkie.
Clementine.
It's a walkie-talkie.
Now, when you guys are far, you can talk to them.
Oh, it's a
Okay, next one. To Maverick. From who? Open. From who? Santa.
Santa.
What is that?
What is it?
Oh, Hello Kitty.
Oh, I like it. Cute. Hello Kitty, Santa.
Okay, next one for Baby Clem.
Baby Clem.
Could this be? Oh wow, what is this? Clothes.
How cute.
Wow.
Oh, very summer. It's okay.
The next one is for Kai.
Kai. Kai, got something from your mama and dada.
What is that? Kai, open it.
Open it, Kai.
Kai, open it.
Oh, that's so cute. I like it's cute.
It's cool.
Oh, you got Pokeball too.
Pokeball, nice.
Next one for Thunder.
Thunder.
From Mommy and Daddy. Woo.
What is it, Thunder? It's a
Lego.
Lego set. Legos. Oh, wow.
Next one for Kai. Kai.
Come right up. Hi. Who's that from?
Who's that from, Kai?
Open it first. I mean, read the name. Read the name.
Here. It's from Uncle Giga, Auntie GM.
Yay!
What is that?
Wheels.
Hot Wheels?
Wow. Here.
Okay, to Akia from Mom and Dad.
Wow. Oh, how cute.
Wow.
Adorable.
Next one. To Thunder.
Thunder.
Grandma.
Oh, call him Thunder. Nice.
There's a coach.
There's a coach here teaching you how to
Wow.
Oh,
Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Nice outfit.
Okay, to Mandy.
Ooh,
Uncle Latif and Auntie Gia.
nice.
Wow.
Pikachu, 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 Pikachu.
To Baby Clem from
Hey,
Thunder and Clementine.
Nice.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you, Thunder and Clementine.
You're welcome. Busy board. Okay.
Okay, next one. To Clementine.
Oh, Clementine.
Uncle Latif and Auntie Gia.
Oh. Open, Mama.
Open.
Beyblade.
Oh,
Somebody's
nice.
gonna have a battle.
Oh, against Clementine. Who's gonna win? Thunder? Kai? Oh, the Hello Kitty book with Blade. Oh, nice. Say thank you. Yeah, well,
Mary.
Nelly. Wow.
From Uncle Latif and Auntie Gia.
Oh.
Oh my God, another
Oh,
Beyblade.
matching.
It's a three-way battle.
There's a matching.
Oh wow, there's something else. Another Hello Kitty. To Akia. Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, it's gold. Oh, cute.
Wow.
What is it? Oh, how nice. I like it. She's dancing.
To Akia.
Oh, again.
Mom and Dad.
No. Oh, a baby.
Another Beyblade. Thunder.
It should be the same. Dad, it should be the same.
How do you know that?
Are you sure?
Is Thunder part of the
Is
group?
Thunder?
The team?
Oh,
Wow, he's gonna have a battle. Five-way.
Five-way battle.
Kai.
Kai, calling Kai.
Kai. This is from Santa.
Santa got you something. Baby, can you do it?
Look, the elf is gone there.
What happened?
I think it's.
Where'd the elf
looking at
go?
Okay, okay. Here, take
The
it
elf
out.
is looking at you.
Elf go. Wow.
Wow, what is that?
Oh!
Okay, okay, pick it up. Can you?
He got so excited.
What's that?
Oh, here.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, it's extra Kai. Kai the
Elf is
Bakugan. Elf is right here, Kai. He's watching you. Oh,
The elf is watching the present.
Kai loves
Over
Bakugan.
there. Take it close to.
Kai, take it close to the elf. He wants to see it. Elf, it moved. You don't have to. He loves the Bakugan. You know what he wanted.
Oh, if you touch it, that's it.
Don't touch it, Kai. Kia, it's okay. Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
Mavi, Thunder, Clementine.
Okay, next one.
Up next.
Kai.
Kai again. Oh, mommy and daddy. Kai, come on, open it. Here, Kai.
Kai, open it, open
Here,
it.
open it.
Oh my
Whoa.
God.
That is so cool. That is. Oh wow, it's a Pokemon.
That is a toy?
Wow.
Charizard.
Who's up next?
Who's next? Look.
To Kai.
Again.
Love Grandma. Oh my God. Kai, what's going on?
Go.
Kai.
You're a winning streak. Kai. What is it, Kai? Huh? Kai, the elf moved again.
Yes, it's gone now.
Where did it move, baby?
Check the back. Check the back.
Check the back. Check. It moved.
I think it's in the washer area.
It's in the washroom. The washing machine area. Can you check? Wow.
Oh, we don't see it. Where did it go? Where did it go, baby? Where did he go? Oh, Grandma, nice! Oh, it moved again. Oh, no!
I think it's following.
It's
Magic in here, guys.
There's a sense of happiness.
The elf has been moving.
Okay. Alright, guys. On your seats. On your seats.
On your seats. Elf is watching. Elf is watching all of you.
Alright, next one. Thunder.
Oh.
Mommy and Daddy.
What is it, Babu? Oh, yay! Babu loves it. No, it's a Nerf gun. It's a big Nerf gun.
To IKEA for Mommy
Oh. Oh, so cute.
Oh my God, what is that? Activity pad.
Oh, I love it. It's activity. It's cute. Who wrapped that one? Is that you wrapped it?
Just open it, Dad.
Oh, we don't know.
We don't know.
It's a mystery. We don't know.
Mystery.
Dad, just open it. But if it's a grown-up thing, it's for one of the grown-ups.
What is it? It's a mystery.
It's a cinnamon roll.
Huh?
It should be for one of the kids.
Oh, it's a cinnamon roll for who?
For who?
Who is cinnamon roll for?
I like cinnamon roll.
I've been having.
Cinnamon roll.
No way.
We don't know who's for.
Do you know who cinnamon roll? Oh, it's still fine.
Who
14.
was for cinnamon roll?
Who makes this wrap?
Who did that wrapper?
Who has that type of wrapper?
Okay.
I found the
Maybe there's a random because no one knows what wrapper it is.
Wait, I will figure this out.
No one knows who that wrapper is.
Oh wait.
Maybe it's from the elf. That's for the elf.
No, it's not.
Hold on.
There's a mystery present. We know it's for a child. We know that. But that's all. And it's something. It's a girl.
It should be a girl.
There's 3 girls here.
Poor girl. We'll figure it out. Whoever's the nicest one.
Whoever behaves the best.
Okay. Next one. For Thunder from Uncle Giga and Auntie Jen.
Oh! What is that?
Open it. Oh my God!
Oh!
What is it, Mama?
Hot Wheels.
Wow.
Say thank you, Uncle Giga, to Gian. So say thank you, Thunder.
What is it?
It's a dinosaur book.
Oh, it's so. Oh, wow. Dinosaur book, Kai.
Oh, Kai will become more smarter.
Kai, you're so smart.
You're gonna read about all the dinosaurs that are there in the whole world?
Can you teach me, Kai?
Super lizard.
Super lizards.
Found enough fossil materials from this dinosaur to know that it must have been one of the most enormous animals to have ever walked on the land.
Go sit down.
That's precious.
Yes. Okay. To IKEA.
Kia. Okay, ready, Kia? You got it?
Oh my God, what is that?
What is it? Wow, J-Mark. Huh. What is a J-Mark? J-Mark. Oh. What is it, Kia? Clementine is wearing it. Nice.
Oh wow.
Oh.
Wow.
Arts and crafts. I love it. Kia, show it to the camera. Show it. Kia, show it. Show it. Show it, Kia. What is it? Oh, what arts and crafts?
So I got
I will help you, don't worry.
Nice.
and then we got paint and we got kid scissors. That's what I wished for.
Oh, good job, Kia. You got what you wanted.
Okay, next one.
Next one.
To baby clown.
Baby clam.
Opening up.
What did baby clam get?
Wow.
Oh, a musical instrument. Cute.
Okay, next one.
Clementine asked me where's my...
2, thunder!
Oh, it's cute, Kia.
Oh.
What is it, Babu? Who's it from?
From Uncle Keith and
Oh, thank you. Oh, wow, how cute. Adorable. Matching.
Oh, there's something else in here.
There's another one under.
And there's something.
Thunder! You
Oh,
missed something.
Pokeball. Pokeball.
Say thank you.
Okay,
Wow.
next one. Thunder!
Oh, wow.
Thunder,
Again.
you're not getting any stops now. Oh my God,
Keep
what happened to the
going.
grumpy boy? From Uncle Keith and Auntie Gia.
Oh, wow.
Oh no, that's for, is it?
Just under.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is. Oh, wow.
That's what the film is from.
It's a.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh, how it's a cute stuff. I love it. So cute. Cute stuffy.
Okay, next one. 2, Clementine.
Oh.
God.
I think, yeah, you gotta go open it. What is it?
Wow.
What is it? Princess. All the princess in the world.
I see Ariel right there.
Oh, Ariel. Oh, nice. Princess. Go hug Clementine.
No.
Oh no. Ah, go, go, go. Aww.
You guys are gonna be confused tomorrow which one is who.
Oh, hug, 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 hug.
You guys gotta keep it separated.
Hug, hug.
Alright, next one. To baby Clem.
Baby Clem.
Yeah, no. They're opening up yet. Type 2, yeah. Oh wow, sensory.
Oh,
Pikachu.
sensory. Baby, oh, that's cute. Nice. Cute. Baby Clem, cool toy.
Wow, baby Clem. You like that?
Cool
Okay,
toy.
next one. 2. Mabby.
Mabby.
Dad and Tita D.
Yeah, Dad and Tita D, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Open, Mabby. What is it? Oh. What is it? Wow.
Oh, she likes the back.
You like it, kid, Mabby? She loves it, guys. Nice. Maybe that's the one that.
Maybe that's the one.
Yeah, maybe that's the one. Just because.
From Santa.
Who is it?
That's from Santa.
That's-
So this is from Kai. This is
There
from
you go.
Kai.
That's the one.
That's the one.
Kai from Santa.
To Kai from Santa.
Kai from Santa. You don't want it? It's a remote control.
It's a cinnamon roll.
Okay, no. I said only goes to the best girl. Okay, next one is Thunder.
Thunder.
Dad.
Oh. What is it, Babu? You know it? What is it? Wow.
What is it?
It's orange monster truck that he... Wow. It's the orange monster truck. Nice, Babu. Do you like the orange monster truck, Baba?
Yeah.
Yay.
The cat.
Oh, what is it? Wow, what is it?
cool.
A bracelet.
Oh, thank you, Kia.
Thank you, Kia. She got her a pink bracelet. Give Kia a hug, 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 hug. Aww. Thank you.
Okay, Auntie Joe again.
Oh, thank you. What is it, Kia? Oh, thank you for the ring. Kia got me a ring.
Oh, she's so
Thank you,
sweet.
Kia, I appreciate it.
Oh, she has a big heart.
She does.
Yeah.
She gave me 2 things already.
Okay. Last but not least.
Last but not least,
Clementine.
Clementine. Birthday girl. What is it, Clementine?
Oh my God, the biggest one over here.
What is it, Mama? What is it, Mama? It's a Barbie. Oh